In this first lecture, plant-based medicines are studied under botanicals. Animals-based medicine are placed in zoopharmacognosy. The minerals are also considered in pharmacognosy. In marine, sometimes the marine animals are also considered for preparing medicine in pharmacognosy. Cod liver oil is an example, which is obtained from shark, and it is a great source of vitamin D. As population is increasing, therefore demand of these herbal products is also increasing. The resistance of allopathic drugs by bacterial and micro is also a great disadvantage of allopathic drugs. Therefore, pharmacognosy is also needed. Moreover, the side effects of allopathic drugs are more as compared to pharmacognosal medicines which are prepared naturally. So, the pharmacognosy has some challenges which includes that the demands of the people are increasing. Therefore, the exploitation of the crude drugs is also increasing. Therefore, what the scientists are trying to do, they are trying to incorporate some in vitro methods, for example, plant tissue culture or cell culture, so that they can produce the plants more easily and more viably. These in vitro methods are nowadays very popular. Production of secondary metabolites is also an example of the in vitro methods which are being utilized by scientists. Then how do we study a natural drug? So first of all, we name it a title, then we describe its biological family, then geographical sources where it is found, its history, its cultivation, collection and processing process of the crude drug, morphological and microscopic characteristics, histological and microscopic characteristics, chemical constituent and qualitative chemical test, pharmacological and therapeutic action means is how does it affect the body. Commercial varieties, in what forms these are available. For example, a drug can be available in various varieties. So commercial varieties, its substituents and adulterants, and the quality control of this drug. So in this way, a pharmacognostic study of natural drug is carried out. Now it is very easy to remember with this trick. Uh, these are the first letters with which I have made a mnemonic. Tinny boy got his CPI more than his cunning pal who committed suicide with quality.